This is a cross of many clones. This is robcantleyi cross veitchii, and we have plants in several nurseries, so we might possibly tag a bit onto the end of this video with a different plant in a different nursery, or perhaps we'll do a separate spotlight on that one, as it's rather special. So let's have a look at them. They are big, as one might expect. robcantleyi veitchii. You wouldn't expect small pictures now, would you? Look at that. Very robust, guys, and variation in colour. There's the peristome on one of them. That's an older picture on the same plant, so the peristome has gone a rust red colour. Moving along to the next plant. There we go, different coloration entirely. The last plant had a green picture body. This one has some coloration to it, and also a very interesting, pretty peristome. And moving on down the row here, let's have a look at this one. There we go, back to a green picture body, and in this particular plant, a deeper red peristome. Really big pictures. Very impressive plants, very robust indeed. The leaves are very, very hard, and the pictures really quite eye-catching, to put it mildly. Have a look around the back here. There seems to be a picture that's trying to hide from me. Let's see if I can turn that one around. There we are. Here's another plant of robcantleyi veitchii in a different nursery to the earlier clip. And what I particularly like about this plant is that it's a single plant with 7 or 8 fully mature open pitchers. And this really illustrates very well a lovely feature of this cross with nepenthes veitchii, wonderful species though it is, and very beautiful species. It only looks its real best when the pitchers are newly opened. And if you see photographs on Instagram, etc., you'll notice this, that it's nearly always newly opened pitchers that people like to show. And then as the plant ages, or the pitcher ages, the peristome will roll back and darken and not be quite as attractive as when it first opened. But veitchii hybrids generally don't always follow the same pattern. They often remain nicely flared, and the coloration doesn't change dramatically as they age. So this is a very newly opened pitcher, or relatively newly opened on this plant, nicely flared out peristome. There's another picture here, and this one here is about as rolled back as it's going to get. So still very attractive, very beautiful peristome coloration, and it still remains flared. So there's a nice feature of this cross, robcantleyi veitchii.